Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by importing assets so the app can generate flowing wallpapers. Open Wallpaper Flow and sign in. Once done, tap Import and select 3 to 5 high-resolution images. Choose consistent aspect ratios, like 16:9 for desktops or 9:16 for phones. Make sure to grant storage and wallpaper permissions immediately. This avoids interruptions later. This first step creates the visual library the app animates and sets the default resolution and orientation so exported flows match your device. Now you set the animation and composition, drag images into the sequence to define order, and crop each frame to avoid awkward edges. Then adjust speed and transition style, choose dissolve, slide, or zoom, and select loop type for continuous versus ping-pong motion. Preview changes in real time and refine motion curves if available. Add filters, motion blur, and a subtle parallax. These boost depth, so reduce intensity when images show fine detail. This middle stage defines the final aesthetic and smoothness. Finish by exporting and applying your wallpaper. Pick the target resolution and export as a file or set directly. Once exported, apply to home and lock screens, testing both portrait and landscape orientations. If the live effect lags, lower animation speed or reduce export resolution. If export or apply fails, restart the app, confirm storage and wallpaper permissions, and free about 100 to 200 MB of space. Corrupted cache can block exports, so clear the app cache before retrying. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.